In this video, you will see how Charisma Orchestrator of Charisma Software and Engineering can automatically pilot Endevor of Computer Associates. Firstly, you must connect to the product by providing your login information. The first step is to create a new change request. To do so, you only need to fill in a few forms. You must select a project, which represents the system Endevor, the application, subsystem. The code is automatically generated. Then select the branch, a description of the change request, the project leader, the team, and lastly, start and end activities dates. Start and end activities dates are not binding. That is, at the end of the end activity date, you can still work on the change request if need be. In this picture, you can see the details of the change request you previously created. You can attach any kind of file to the change request. Here, you can see the life cycle of the change requests. When you create a change request, the change request is in state definition. Then there is open state, realization, QA, and distribution. This is just an example of life cycle, as you will be able to personalize it as you prefer. To begin your work with a change request, select the state Open. By doing so, Charisma Orchestrator starts piloting Endevor by automatically defining a request with the same CCID code of the change request. As an example, we'll create a test1 element in Endevor by specifying the change request TS00012 as CCID. We'll repeat the same step for element test2. In Orchestrator, the elements of the change request with the coordinates and relative state dev are automatically recorded. We'll move the two objects test1 and test2. When you move the object in the life cycle, Charisma Orchestrator automatically records these movements. The stage becomes QA. From Charisma Orchestrator, you can automatically create the Endevor package without connecting to Endevor itself. By clicking on the highlighted button, the create and cast of the package itself is carried out. In Charisma Orchestrator, not only are the user attributes of the change request recorded, but also all the information regarding the package itself, such as the name of the package, the return codes of every action, the user who carried out the cast. In Charisma Orchestrator, you can also execute the submit of the Endevor package, which will move the two objects to prod. In Endevor, you can see the result of the package submit. Indeed, now the state of the package is executed. Now the two elements are in prod. At the end of the process, you must close the change request, and all the data of that change request will be saved in the Charisma database.